Mental illnesses leave traces in the brain. For instance, people with depression and bipolar disorder will often suffer from memory and concentration difficulties, which may persist even when they are feeling well again and are back at work. There is no available treatment for these cognitive difficulties. A key problem is that we currently don't know which parts of the brain to target. In this regard, the brain is like a black box. We have no clues about where to look.
My project is about identifying a so-called biomarker in the brain, a biomarker that can help select among treatments to target memory and concentration difficulties in patients with mental illnesses.
Lundbeckfonden fellow Kamilla Miskowiak will use advanced MRI scanning techniques and sophisticated computerized psychological tests at the Copenhagen University Hospital, Rigshospitalet, to do her research. With these tools, she will carefully examine how some possible brain-based biomarkers respond to different kinds of pharmacological and psychological treatments.
If we find a valid biomarker in the brain, that can be really important for selecting among new treatments when they're being developed and refined in the future.
Since the beginning of her studies, the Danish researcher has been deeply interested in the changes of the brain in people with mental illnesses. As a Lundbeckfonden fellow, she will create new insight into the brain mechanisms of effective treatments.
It's a unique opportunity to be able to contribute to the methodological development in this field, and hopefully my research can lead to better treatments of the many patients who are dealing with cognitive difficulties. And I hope that we will find the key for novel, more effective treatments by unraveling this biomarker inside the brain.